A debate is growing in British Columbia on how best to protect people from overdose. There's pressure on the province to scrap a pilot project decriminalizing certain amounts of hard drugs. All sides say changes are needed, but there are a lot of different opinions about where to go from here. CTV's Andrew Johnson is in Vancouver and is tracking the developments on this critical discussion. Andrew?
Amanda, it feels like the BC government is facing new pushback by the day to scrap the pilot project put in place to try to save lives during a toxic drug crisis. The province is 1 year into the 3-year pilot that aims to treat addiction as a health issue rather than a criminal one. It allows possession of up to 2.5 grams of drugs such as opioids, cocaine, and meth. The program is being blamed for an increase in open drug use and growing encampments. Healthcare workers have raised concerns about safety in hospitals. This week, councillors from 3 Metro Vancouver cities are demanding the province scrap the pilot.
It is very important that if you are caught using drugs, exempting, of course, marijuana, that you are charged for it. But if you're willing to seek treatment, then let's talk.
Many critics are pointing to what recently happened in Oregon. During the pandemic, that state decriminalized hard drugs. The law was passed by voters in a referendum, but public opinion soured over rampant public drug use and social disorder. Decriminalization there has now been abandoned. BC Premier David Eby has repeatedly defended the program here, calling the overdose crisis incredibly challenging.
I feel huge urgency around this issue. I couldn't feel more urgent about this issue. We've got thousands of people dying. We have serious issues of disorder in a number of communities that need to be addressed.
The issue has become very politicized in BC during an election year, and the temperature may rise further on Friday. The federal addictions minister will be in BC to meet behind closed doors with the province and police. Amanda.
Thanks so much, Andrew.